Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Students, I told you in our last lecture about the Asia continent, and now I told you about the Africa continent. Okay students, look here, what is this amazing interesting facts life of Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. One fifth of the total land surface of the earth is taken up by Africa. Means Africa is the second largest continent, and the first largest continent is the Asia. And one fifth of the total land surface is in Africa, and the continent is also the poorest one. One of the seven ancient wonders of the world is Great Paradigm of Giza is in Egypt, Africa. Students, I hope you know about which is the seven wonders of in the world, and one is the Great Pyramid, and Pyramid of Giza is in Egypt, Africa. One of the world's natural wonders, Victoria Falls, is also Africa. The world's longest river, the Nile, is in the Africa. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest desert, is also in Africa. Pygmies, the smallest people in the world, lives in the Africa. Students, you see, the one of the wonder of the world is also Africa. World natural wonder is also in Africa. World longest river is also in Africa. World largest desert is also in Africa. So Africa is not the poor one, I think. Africa is underpopulated as only 10% of the world population lives here. 10% of the total world population lives in Africa. Africa is known as the dark continent because of the skin tone of its inhabitant. Skin tone in Africans men's and women's have a blackish, so this is called the dark continent. More than 1000 languages are spoken in Africa, so Africa have a now vast variety of languages. The next come on the religions of Africa. Generally, the Christianity are in a majority in the southern Africa. In the southern parts of Africa have a majority religion within a Christianity, and whereas the Muslims are in a majority in the North Africa. Most of the rest of the people follow a variety of traditional religions. They have some of the traditional religions. The southern Africa follows the Christianity, and the northern Africa majority follows the Muslims, and rest of the peoples have a variety of traditional religions. Language, the languages, there are an amazing number of languages spoken in Africa. At least 1500 are recognized as such. Means we already read in a fact file more than 1000 languages are spoken in Africa. So here as a written numbers 1500 recognized. Most of the languages don't have a written script. Means of 1500 is a recognized other languages, but of other languages are not having a written script, so that they are not recognized languages. Physical features, Africa has got vast policies of pieces of land, which includes the desert and forests that are unoccupied by man. The African tribes are very close to nature because of greenery and wildlife. Means you see what is the physical features. We already read in a fact file that physical feature about the Sahara Desert, the longest, the river, the Nile. So Africa having a very vast pieces of land, and these are desert and the forest, and which are not taken by a man. Agriculture in Africa, agriculture is the most important activity because approximately two-thirds of the population are engaged in this field. Means only one part of the people are doing other works, and the two-thirds of the people of the population are engaged in agriculture. Mineral resources, Africa contains a lot of mineral wealth like the fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, and natural gases, iron ore, bauxite ore, and the continent blessed with 50% of the world's total gold reserve, 40% of the world total diamond reserve, and almost 100% reserve of chromium. Means Africa having a too much mineral resources are in this continent. Wildlife, Africa is internationally known for its wildlife because mostly of the forests are not occupied by the man, so they have a large variety of a wildlife. A wide variety of an animal exists here. Just carnivores are of more than 60 species. Means currently forests have more than 60 species, so maybe there are more and more wild animals are unrecognized by the African. So students, I told you about the Africa continent. If you have any query, if you have any confusion, then let me know. We will clarify your confusion. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.